Alright, so I'm going to start out this tutorial by doing my brows the way I always do my brows. Draw them on, and yes, I shave the end of my brows because my brows naturally grow straight across, and I really do prefer a higher arch. I've been doing this for years. I love it. I'm not doing it because it's trending or because it was trending. I just like it. I saw my friend do it. I'm gonna follow right back as she. So this is my Sedona Lace dark concealer quad, and I'm using that color. And for the lighter color, I'm using the white to clean up as well. Now the white just gives a nice little punch, and because I have hooded eyes, I like how it frames my eye. It allows my brow bone to stand out a lot more, so that's why I do it. So I am going to be going in with my Fenty primer all over. I've been loving this primer for such a very long time. It is completely and definitely a staple. I got one for my kit, I got one for myself. It is a complete staple. Let me just say that right now. So I'm using my Ben 9 Neutral set to set my primer before I put on my foundation so it lasts longer and it's a bit more matte. The contact lens I'm wearing are called Hazel, and they're from Primal Contact Lenses. You can search for them on Instagram. Yeah, and I told you guys in another video that I got a couple of lenses from them, so look out for videos. So I really hope you guys, like it. I like this, but I like the blue one better. This is my Fenty foundation in 420. I put it all over. It's a really nice match, and I like how it is. You can build it up to a full coverage, well, for me at least. So now I'm highlighting with my black opal rich caramel foundation, blending out with my Sedona Lace brush. Then I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs Phase 2 brush. Absolutely gorgeous, darling. Just blending it out there, having it look nice and fluffy. Then I'm going in with my Ben 9 Neutral set to set everywhere I placed my lighter colour, or the colour from Black Opal, which is Rich Caramel. So I'm just setting it. Then I'm cleaning off the brush here because I'll be using it for my all over face powder. This is the Black Opal loose powder in 700 deep. I love it so much. It goes with all my face foundations. It goes with all my foundations that I use, and I'm also using the foundation to low light my nose. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop palette, and I'm using that color as just a transitional one, yeah, and I'm blending out the end of my brow bone highlight. And is this annoying, you guys? I'm using this color to set my brow bone. I mean, that color is pretty white, but I wanted to use this palette and this palette only. This black is heaven black, okay? Heaven black. So this black is everything. So I put it all over my eyes. Oh God, my entire house is going noisy. I know you hear Jonathan in the background. I really try. So this color is my Inglot number 63 blush, and I'm putting it right between the black and the transitional color that I just reapplied. And this is just to add a little bit of color because it was lacking, yeah. So I wanted to add a little bit of color with my blush from Inglot. Then I'm using my black Marbrick pencil from isocanNFA.com. I'm going in with that color, which is quite reminiscent of the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. So I'm putting that in the little space there. So the halo look could be an all over look, because I'll be doing a nice halo eye, like it's a cut crease halo eye, which I thought was completely fabulous. It's very dramatic though. I wore this to church. I wore this to church on Sunday, because this day it was Sunday morning, and we had first fruit, and first fruit is when you present your best gifts. So I presented my best everything. The wig that matched me well. I went all out with my makeup. I just went hard for the Lord. We go hard for the Lord. And then I'm using the black again, just to blend the Fenty Beauty-esque the Fenty Beauty matching eyeshadow with the black. Yeah, I feel distracted because Jonathan just walked in. Are you hearing him? So now I'm taking Conceited Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture, and I've had this years. You hear me? Years. And look at that gorgeousness. It photographs so nicely. It's so good. I love it. And this color I'm using for my blush. Ooh, baby, I love it. I love it. I love it. Do you hear me? I love it, yeah? I love it. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics lip palette. And as I said, I had bought something on BH Cosmetics. I know I get free stuff when I buy a student or something. So I got this for free. I don't even know the name, but the palette is boom.com. This is the end of the look. I love you. Ta-ta.
Yo, me come from Babylon with word powers and shooting. I'm a pinstripe suit and me pointing boot. Man, I talk, man, I'm youth.
You can't get to when you blow the flute. Wow, me so glad me know ya. Yo, make me see the answer, the real soldier. Represent from yourself, you're proud. And no one never push you over. Me no floss, cause me no glass buckle. No boy get lost in a the quad buckle. Get high till them start.